Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You're starting inside your sheet. Open Format, then Theme to bring up the Theme panel. First, pick a base theme. This gives you consistent fonts and colors quickly. Once done, click Customize Theme to unlock font, color, and style controls. Make sure to apply a base color palette that matches your brand or purpose. That prevents manual cell-by-cell edits later. You'll save time by changing global settings now rather than adjusting dozens of individual cells. Now customize the palette. Change primary, secondary, and accent colors to reflect your visual hierarchy. You'll want a readable body font and a distinct heading font. Set sizes so headings stand out without overpowering content. Use the sample table in the editor to preview contrast and spacing. This ensures accessibility and legibility. Once you adjust, click Done or Apply to push those styles to the sheet. If multiple sheets share structure, apply the theme consistently to maintain clarity. Finish by clicking Apply to push the theme across the active sheet. The change updates headers, charts, and sample cells immediately. If you'll reuse the look, choose Save as Default Theme so new sheets start with the same settings. Make sure to check charts and conditional formatting because they sometimes keep old colors. If colors don't update, select Affected Ranges and clear local formatting. Then reapply the theme. This forces the global styles to override manual cell-specific overrides.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.